Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here and make sure you click on File. Then from File, make sure you click on Open right here. The next thing you need to do is to locate where you have your Adobe Illustrator AR file. So I have it on my download folder right here. I'm going to simply click on my download folder and I'll go ahead and locate the file right here. Simply scroll down right here. Have the file. This is the file right here. You can see it is AI file. Okay, free spy vector. So once you select the file, hit on open. It's going to open up all the file just like what you see right here. Okay, here we can simply zoom in by press Control minus to zoom in, Control minus to zoom in. So we have all the Illustrator file right here, just like what you see right now. We can easily work on this particular file. So we can select them one after the other. You can see it. So once you select, you can ungroup them. You can recolor all these vectors right here. Everything depends on exactly what you want to achieve from the AI file. Let's, for instance, I want to change this particular one color right here. I will select on this particular one right here, and I'll make sure I ungroup. There are so many ways by which you can ungroup. You can ungroup all, or better still, you can ungroup individual object. So the first ungroup right here simply allow you to ungroup objects. So if you click on the second one here, it allows you to ungroup all objects that make a single object. So right here, I'm going to simply click on ungroup object. So having clicked on ungroup object, it's going to ungroup the elements that make up this particular artwork right here. So let's check it out. So you can see the heart is on another shape, and the here is another shape right here. I can decide to change this one to red color right here and decide to select on this one and fill it with another color. Everything depends on how you want to work with your AI Illustrator file in CorelDRAW file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about CorelDRAW tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.